Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem number 21. Mathematical methods in physics. Problem number 21. Problem having been chosen or taken or selected from the book Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Dennis G. Zill. Okay, as usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, find the area of the triangle determined by the points P1 111, P2 234, and P3 30 minus 1. Yes, students, we have to find the area of triangle whose 3 points are given. Okay, now, dear students, we are going toward its solution. But before going into its solution in a formal manner, we will have to go through a few snapshots which will provide us a guideline or foundation or basis for understanding this solution. Okay, this snapshot says areas. Yes, students, we do not go into the detail of this snapshot. We just come to the conclusion. Okay, dear students, the area A of a parallelogram is, okay, the area of a parallelogram A is A equal to base into altitude. Okay, A is equal to A cross B magnitude. While in case of triangle, we have to multiply it with half. Okay, likewise from figure this we see that area of a, we see that area of a triangle with sides A and B is, okay, dear students, okay, we read the whole text. Okay, areas. Two non-zero and non-parallel vectors A and B can be considered to be the sides of a parallelogram. The area A of a parallelogram is A equal to base into altitude. Base into altitude. From figure so and so, we see that area A is equal to B magnitude into A magnitude sine theta, and this alternatively becomes equal to A magnitude into B magnitude into sine theta. Or area A is equal to A cross B magnitude. Likewise, from figure so and so, we see that the area of a triangle with sides A and B is A equal to 1 by 2A cross B. Okay, so dear students, whether we have to find the area of a triangle or a parallelogram, almost process is same. The nutshell or conclusion of this snapshot is that area of a triangle is half than the area of a parallelogram. Okay, because above the first formula is about the area of a parallelogram, while in case of area of triangle we have just to divide that value with 2. Okay, now we come towards those two figures whose mentioning is here. Okay, so dear students, these are those figures. Okay, dear students, these are the figures. Okay, one figure is of parallelogram and the other figure is of triangle. Okay, I think these snapshots have provided us enough foundation regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, now dear students, now P1 is given as 1 1 1, P2 is given as P2 is given as 2 3 4, and P3 is given as 3 0 minus 1. First we find P1 P2 and then we find P2 P3. Dear students, vector P1 P2 will become this minus this 2 minus 1 I, similarly this 3 minus 1 j plus 4 minus 1 k. Okay, this becomes equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, and in case of P2 P3, P2 P3 3 minus 2 I plus 0 minus 3j plus minus 1 minus 4k, and this finally alternatively becomes equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. Okay, so what we have done, we have found two vectors P1 P2 and P2 P3. Now we will take cross product of these two vectors and it will give us now P1 P2 cross P2 P3. Okay, we are taking cross product or vector product of these two vectors. Its method is that in the first row we write ijk from ourselves, and in the second row elements of first vector are included, while in the third row elements of other vector are included. Okay, so here once again the same procedure, that with I plus sign will become, because minus 1 raised to the power 2 is plus, while with j minus sign will become, because j is occurring in the first row while second column, so 1 plus 2 will be 3, and odd power of minus 1 is minus 1, while for k sign will be plus because it is occurring in first row and third column, so 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 4 is even, and we know that even power of minus 1 is always plus 1. Okay, so I first column and first row will be treated as omitted or eliminated. This multiplication, that is minus 10 plus 9, minus 10 plus 9, because actually minus 10 minus 9 formula, but minus will become plus, because we know that multiplication of similar signs results in plus sign, while multiplication of different signs results in minus sign. Okay, so now j, in case of j, second column and first row will be treated as eliminated, and we will get minus 5 minus 3, minus 5 minus 3, yes, it will become minus 8. Now in case of k, first row and third column will be treated as omitted, and we will get minus 3 minus 2. Okay, minus 3 minus 2. This finally becomes equal to minus I plus 8j minus 5k. Okay, now dear students, in the next step we are taking magnitude of this cross product. Okay, so magnitude of this means magnitude of this, and magnitude of this will be equal to under root sign and square of this plus square of this plus square of this whole under root. Okay, so 1 plus 64 plus 24 will become under root of 90. We know that 90 can be written as 10 into 9, and we know that 9 is a complete square of 3, so we can take 3 out of this whole value. Okay, so magnitude of these two vectors will become equal to 3 into 10 under root. And as per formula, we are not here finding the area of a parallelogram. Okay, if we had to find area of a parallelogram, then our answer is complete and we do not go to move forward. But here we are going to find the area of a triangle, due to which we will have to divide this by 2, and hence area of triangle will become 3 by 2 into 10 under root. Okay, this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.